Hey folks, JD here, and this week and all of this week we are going to have a mass unboxing, unpackaging week. As I said week a lot of time there, didn't I? Basically because I've got a lot of games that I want to unpack, a lot of stuff I want to start playing, but I don't want to start playing it before showing you it during the unboxing or the unpacking. So I thought this week we're just going to have a huge week, unboxing, unpack everything, and then we can get on with doing the gameplay, getting the accessories, and, you know, going through all the other videos then in the next few months. Right, so this is a very important one. Got this spur of the moment, an extremely cheap price, great one to add to my collection. So let's open this up for a second. Take this out. And this is an Xbox One, as I'm sure you can see from the brick here. Nice power supply. Needs a little bit of tidying up, but that's okay. Yeah, do you know what? Quite happy with that. Need to just give it a bit of a clean, that's not a problem. We've got one of the controllers here, right? We'll come back and have a little look at that. Let's have a little look at all of this. Little note in there as well. Let's take this bad boy out and let's move all of that out of the way. Right, let's just re-angle this camera a little bit so I can just get what is necessary and get rid of all the rest of the stuff. So, let's open this up. I don't think I'm going to need a knife for this. Nope. Very nice. So I've always wanted to start collecting limited edition consoles. I've never been lucky enough to buy one on day of release. So I thought what I would do is if I saw a job lot which was worth my time, I would go through it and I would see whether or not I could get one for the best price that I possibly could. And I believe I've got one here. So this is the Halo 5 Guardians Xbox One. Really nice, look at that. Let's just move all this out of the way because it's going to make a lot of noise on that microphone. Let's put all that down there, I can tie that up afterwards. Okay, so let's have a quick little look at the front here. Optical drive, obviously in the centre there. You see the slot loading bay there. Nice UNSC. It looks in good condition, doesn't it? Got a couple of little dinks. I mean, to be fair, this is, I'm going to say this is probably 2015, 2016. Nice little eject buttons. Fine. Make our way over. Got the touch panel for the on and off. And obviously don't forget, Microsoft did this really, really cool thing with the limited edition consoles, that when you turn them on and when you eject and when you turn them off, they don't just have the little ping noise or the little bing. They actually make a sound effect that is reminiscent of the game. So I don't know what the Halo one does, but my Gears of War one that you're going to be looking at in a few weeks' time, that one actually sounds like the locusts when you turn it on. Sounds like the locusts are busting out of the earth. So that's nice. You know what? I think this is in very good nick. Needs a bit of a wipe, but I think overall, I think that's very good. I'm really happy with that. Considering that a lot of these consoles do get used, and this is one that did get used. It's a couple of little marks at the top there. Look, nothing crazy. There we go. The fan and the outlet is a little bit dusty, but still not terrible. Look, not for the age. If we flip it over and just have a quick little look now. Oh, let's flip this around the right way so I can see it. We have all of our ports. We have our, even though the warranty would be long gone, it's nice to know the warranty sticker is still on there. Also, we've got, working from left to right, we have our power adapter, HDMI out to TV, optical audio, HDMI in from satellite or cable. This is one of the things that I love about the Xbox. They've still maintained these two HDMI cables, which is great. It means that this Xbox can sit in your home entertainment. Rather than it just being a games console. I really like that. It's a bit forward thinking. 2 USB ports, connect, and infrared out, infrared out, and also RJ45 or Ethernet there. So I said it was, what did I say, 2015? Yeah, there we go. 2015 was manufacture date. So considering this is 8 years old, I think this is in very good nick. All 4 rubber bungs on the feet are there. That's something that if you've watched a few of my videos, you'll know that I really do like having all the rubber bungs on there for the feet. Very good nick. A little bit of a little thing there, but again, not that much of an issue. Very, very nice. Very happy with this. Very happy with this. USB port on the side there as well. Looking very nice, isn't it? Fair play. I like how they've concealed the controller connector as well. Very nice. You don't see it from the front, doesn't take away, doesn't detract from the overall look. I'm very happy with that. This is going to sit very nicely inside my collection. So let's move that to one side. Let's have a quick little look at the accessories. So we have 2 controllers, both wireless. Nice standard Xbox One controller there. Buttons are lovely, working very nice. There's no stickiness, no stiffness. Again, we've still got the rubber on both of the analog sticks. They're working very nice. Bumpers as well as the plungers are working nice as well. Everything's fine. Buttons are great. Fair play. Have we got any charge? No? Okay. We got any batteries? That's why we haven't got any charge. That's fine. I've got a rechargeable battery pack to go in there. And to be honest with you, I'm either probably going to sell this one because this is probably my 8th, I think, controller for the Xbox One range. So I might sell that, or I might keep it as a spare. But this is the one I wanted to have a look at. I don't know if this is the one that came with... no, it didn't say it's a Power A. I didn't think it was a genuine one. But at the same time, I don't mind. I've got another Power A one around here somewhere. Yes, there we go. I'm pretty sure this other one I had. No, this is PDP, the other one I had. Still, that works quite well. But this one, I was really intrigued with the colour. I really like that gradient blue. It's very nice. But again, on the side, look, you've got 2 little buttons on the inside there. You've got a button at the back there. You know what? I really like that. You've still got your headphone jack at the bottom there. Still got your USB connector. Now, this isn't wireless. This would be wired only. But still, do you know what? All the buttons... Obviously, you can tell which one is which. This one, the official Xbox controller, is a lot heavier. But you know what? The buttons are seriously close. Not with the D-pad. There's no definite click on the Power A with the D-pad, whereas there is with the Xbox. But still, you know what? I think that's pretty decent. I'm really happy to have that as part of my collection. I think that looks really, really nice. Fair play. I'm loving that colour. I might just put that on the shelf because it looks really nice. Okay, cool. So 2 controllers there. Happy with that. Lovely, lovely. Power brick we saw as well. That's great. No problems there. And hopefully you've got the power cable for in here somewhere. HDMI cable. And then we've got our micro USB then for the Power A controller. That's perfect. I did have the cable in there. Good. Just a standard kettle plug. Nothing different about that. But of course, Microsoft likes to use the 2 prongs, which is fine because the 3rd prong, the earth prong probably, is not used in this. So there we are. That's fine. That's good. Now let's have a little look at the games, because for the price of this, I was really happy that it came with as many great games. And unfortunately, it does come with a few sports games, but you know, people like those, so what can you say? But there were a few games I wanted to buy anyway. And I thought, well, you know what, for the price you're going to pay probably for some of these games, adding in this for an extra £40 isn't going to be that terrible. So Black Ops 3, I really enjoyed Black Ops 3 when I played it all those years ago. Never owned it. I have it on PC, I think. Oh no, Black Ops 2 I have on PC. Never owned 3, but I remember playing it over a friend's house, I think, and I just really was taken by it, which is quite strange because I'm not normally a Call of Duty man, but it was the zombies that I really enjoyed. That's why I wanted that one. Halo 5, of course, everybody loves Halo. Well, let me scratch that. Most people love Halo, and I am within that most. A couple of smudges, but you know what? He's actually cleaned these before sending them off to me. You can see. You know what? That's absolutely great. No problem there whatsoever. Thanks ever so much. Really great. But yeah, I love the Halo games, and having Halo 5 to my collection is just nice. UFC 2, couldn't give a hell about that. That's going to be sold. Project Cars, I loved Project Cars. It was such a shame that they brought this series to an end. Perfect condition. Because these games, I really liked them. I thought they were great. So 3 ones for the collection. FIFA 19, couldn't give a hell about it. That one's going to be sold as well. Alien Isolation, you saw, well, I don't know, you may not have seen it. Am I? Yes, you did. You may have seen it the other day. No, scratch that. You're going to see what I'm talking about in a few days' time. But it's nice to have this. I really do like having games on multiple consoles, and I love Alien Isolation. This is one that I'm going to really enjoy playing again. I've completed it on the PC, I don't know how many times, completed it on my Mac. Now I'm going to be completing it on the Xbox One. Then I'm going to complete it on the Xbox One X. Yes, I am that annoying when it comes to games. Madden 25, nice to have. Never going to use it. That's going to be sold. FIFA 17, going to be sold. Fallout 76, again, another one of those games that I absolutely adore. Yes, that's right, I do adore Fallout 76. And likewise, I adore the whole Fallout franchise. And I've only had, I think I had Fallout 76 on the PS4. So it's nice that I've got Fallout 76 on the Xbox One now as well, so I can create another character on there and really start off something new. Destiny, the collection. So the reason that I wanted this again is that I've got Destiny, got Destiny 2 rather. But again, even when you buy it, you've still got all these DLCs. It's not something I don't like shelling out for a game and then shelling out 85 quid every single year for more packs. But the reason I would sort of go with this is because I could not find the collection anywhere. And even though the case is, well, a little bit screwed, see it's got quite a lot of heat marks on it, I did want it because it comes with everything. And that is where I want to experience Destiny, the first one at least. And then Metal Gear Solid, The Phantom Pain. And you know what? I've never played... Ooh, it comes with a map too, look. Perfect. I've never played this game. I've only ever played one Metal Gear Solid game, and that was on the PlayStation. PlayStation 1, if you're wondering. Never played any others. Really looking forward to giving this a go, seeing what it's like. Wasn't this the last game that Kojima was with them for? Before he left, or did he leave halfway through? I thought there was something to do with this. Anyway, that's the day one edition. So all the games I'm going to keep there, I'm really quite happy with. You know what? That's really great to add to the collection. Some really good ones there. I'm really going to look forward to playing again and again and again. There we go. Fantastic. Lovely stuff. Right then, folks. I think that's it for today's video. But as I say, this week is all going to be unboxings, unpackagings. I think I've created all the unpackaging videos, and I've got about 24 of them. So there's loads of stuff to come. So please join me tomorrow when, again, we're going to be going through more stuff again, and we're going to be looking at this in a little bit more detail in a few weeks' time. All right, then, my friends, thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy gaming.